Are you a student or perhaps a stay-at-home mom? Then this video is for you because you can actually make money online, okay, from the comfort of your home as a stay-at-home mom or while you're in school as a student. I'm going to reveal to you different side hustles you can get involved in and make money out of it. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Jafego Okureko, popularly known as Fesky. In this channel, I share valuable contents about mini importation, how to make money online, and a lot of business ideas. So if this resonates with you, do not hesitate to smash the red subscribe button down below, alright? And turn on your notification bell icon so you get notified anytime I drop new videos. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. That's why I go this extra mile to film beautiful content for you. Okay, over to today's video. Now, what can you do to make money as a student or perhaps a stay-at-home mom? Number one is dropshipping. A lot of persons don't know what dropshipping is. Dropshipping simply means selling a particular product without you buying it or owning it in the first place, and you make money out of it. Let me give you a little example for you to get it clearly. Now, for example, Mrs. Fesky, she owns a superstore where she sells different items, both female wears, shoes, bags, clothes, or adult male clothes, whatever, or cooking utensils. She owns a big shop and she sells all these items. Then you, as a student or a stay-at-home mom, you liaise with Madam Fesky and tell her, please, I want to drop ship for you. Give me at a subsidized rate. Yes, Madam Fesky gives you at a subsidized rate. For example, you saw a particular shoe and then you tell Madam Fesky how much for this shoe. Madam Fesky tells you that including waybill, the shoe is 6,000 naira. She waybills nationwide, okay? So the shoe is 6,000 naira including waybill. Now you add your 2,000 naira pure profit to it and you post on your WhatsApp. Or perhaps you tell your fellow students that look at a particular shoe you are selling, okay? And then when somebody is interested in it, the person sends the money to your account. That is 8,000 naira, okay? And then you transfer the 6,000 naira to Madam Fesky, and then you've already gotten your 2,000 naira pure profit, right? So Madam Fesky sends the shoe to the person without you even seeing the shoe in the first place or even owning it, but you've made cool 2,000 naira out of it. So that's drop shipping. If you want me to film a video, a more detailed video on drop shipping, next session, type drop shipping. Drop shipping. When I see a lot of comments, I'll be inspired to film a detailed video on how you can start and grow a profitable drop shipping here in Nigeria. Okay, then over to side hustle number 2 you can do as a student or perhaps a stay-at-home mom. Number 2 is graphic design. Okay, I know most persons, they don't know how to do this. Yes, but it's a skill you can learn in a short time. I think I learned graphic design within a week or so using my smartphone. I paid, I think it should be 1,500 or perhaps 2,000 naira, thereabout. That's what I paid for it. And I learned it. So you can learn it within a short while and start doing it for people. Yes, you can make a logo for them, business logo, whatever, and then you make money out of it. And then number 3 thing you can do is website design. I've already filmed a video on how you can create a website from Canva, using Canva. I'll drop the link up here, or perhaps I'll leave it in the description box. If you haven't watched it, just click on it and watch it so you know how to create a website. And after learning it, you can do it for people. You charge money for it and you make cool cash out of it. Then number 4, before I do that, please do not hesitate to click on the like button and share, all right? Okay, so number 4, side hustle you can do as a student or perhaps a stay-at-home mom is sales of thrift wares. This thrift wares is what we normally call bobo or okrika. Yes, so you can actually sell this at a very cheap price. You can get them at a cheap price and sell. For example, as a student, you can just go to where they sell them. You know what your colleagues they like now, what your classmates they like, or neighbors. For example, you can get a simple wear, a top of like, let's say 500 naira or so, and then you sell to them for like 800 naira or 1,000 naira. and you get your money out of it. So that's what you can do. Then for a stay-at-home mom, you can just go for kiddies wears, just buy few, okay, and then you tell your family members or your neighbors or friends that you're into this. You can just visit them with the thrift bill, okay. You visit them and tell them, this, look at what I have, very beautiful for your kids, male, female, okay, and then you sell, you make money out of it. Then number 5, organizing tutorials for students. If you are good at a particular course, then you can organize tutorials for it. You can teach those under you or perhaps in the same class with you, okay. You can teach them and then you make money out of it. Then number 6, you can run errands. There are some persons that they are so busy or perhaps they are just too tired to go out and get some stuff. Yes, that's where you come in. You tell them, oh, you want me to run errands for you? Sure, I'm available, but at a particular cost. You get paid, okay. Then number 7 is you can sell small chops like puff puff, egg roll. You can go online, check tutorials online. You can go to YouTube how to prepare these small chops. After learning it, you go to the market and then you buy, you prepare, you let your family, friends, neighbors know that you can do small chops. Maybe they have a very small party and they need small chop, maybe get together or whatever. You are available. You tell them this is the amount it will cost them and then you make money out of it. The number 8 is makeup, okay. You know, as students, even at that, as a student, they like Owambe. Every Saturday, party after party, okay. And these girls, they like looking good to these parties. So you can just tell them that you do a little touch on their face and then you make money out of it. You tell them it will cost you this amount for a little touch on your face, and that's it. That's how you make money. And then another thing you can make money as a student or perhaps a stay-at-home mom is dry cleaning. Okay, dry cleaning service. You can wash clothes for people, iron them, and then you get paid. There are some persons that they just prefer giving their long sleeve shirts or perhaps some heavy clothes. They just prefer giving it out to those into laundry services to just wash or help them iron. Or perhaps some persons, they can wash, but they're not good at ironing, okay. You can do that for them and then you get paid. So these are some of the side hustles you can get involved in and then you make money out of it as a student or perhaps a stay-at-home mom. I hope you got value from this video. Please do not hesitate to click on the like button and share, and also leave a comment in the comment section telling me of any other side hustles that you've involved in, okay, any experience you have from any of these side hustles or perhaps other side hustles that somebody can get involved in as a student or perhaps a stay-at-home mom. Let me see that in the comment section. Thanks for watching to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.